Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove default clothes in Roblox. So first and foremost, you have to log into your Roblox right here and then make sure this is the correct account. Now tap on it is three lines and look for avatar. Scroll down here and tap on avatar. Here you will see your avatar, and in order for you to basically change or remove the default clothes in your Roblox, you just have to click this one right here and tap on the recent. You will see here the clothes or the accessories that your avatar is wearing on. So in order for you to remove, you just have to click that one. For example, your avatar is currently wearing this. So in order to remove, you just have to deselect or untick this one. And you will see the result in a while. So you can just deselect everything here. And as you can see, the lower part or pants is now being removed. Now we're going to remove also the upper part. Then this is what it looks like. So basically that's it. All you have to do is to tap on or deselect that specific clothes that your avatar is wearing on. You can also go to skin tone and see what will be the result or appearance of your avatar if you use this colors right here or skin tone. So basically, that's how easy it is to remove default clothes in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.